Hi students, now we'll discuss equations of the type in this type. So the f of p into z power n q into z power n is equal to 0, or f of x comma p z power n is equal to g of y comma q z power n. Okay, pz and qz combinations. Okay, pz and qz combinations, how we solve, where n is a constant. Okay, where n is a constant. This is another problem, can be solved by reducing it to any one of the standard forms. Okay, so here in these cases, when you observe pz and the qz combinations, yeah, when you observe the pz and the qz combinations like the pz qz, yeah, so now in this case we use the transformation here. This put capital Z is equal to z power n plus 1. Remember, capital Z is equal to z power n plus 1 if n not equal to minus 1. Okay, if n not equal to minus 1, but the put z is equal to log z if n equal to minus 1. Okay, remember here, if n is equal to minus 1, put z is equal to log z. Other than minus 1 values, put z is equal to z power n plus 1. Okay, yeah, so this is the transformation we have to remember to solve the problems of the type like pz qz combinations. Yeah, so now take a look at the problem here. This is the problem. Is the problem, z square into p square plus q square is equal to x square plus y square. Now the given equation can be written as, now we can separate them all this as a x p another, y q another times, but we have, you can see the pz combinations, we have pz and qz, pz qz. So this is of the form f of x comma pz power n is equal to g of y q z power n with n is equal to 1, with n is equal to 1. Okay, now since n is equal to 1, so what is the transformation we have to use? So it's not a minus 1, so it's n is equal to 1. So other than n is equal to minus 1, so put z is equal to z power n plus 1, that is put z is equal to z square. Okay, put z is equal to z square, simply there. Then now in that, from this, if I differentiate this with respect to x, dou z by dou capital Z by dou x is equal to 2z into dou z by dou x. So let us take this as capital P. See this one, capital P. This is P, so 2pz. Capital P is equal to 2pz. From this, small pz is equal to capital P by 2. Similarly, dou z by dou small y is equal to 2z into dou z by dou y. We know that this is small q, and by just assuming this as a capital Q, q is equal to 2qz. That implies qz is equal to capital Q by 2. Okay, qz is equal to capital Q by 2. Now you can see this, substituting the above values of pz and qz in 1. Okay, substituting the above values of pz qz in 1. So what is 1 here in this? Okay, in 1. So now you'll get like this, capital P by 2 whole square minus x square is equal to y square minus capital Q by 2 whole square. So now we can take the LCM on both sides. P square minus 4x square is equal to 4y square minus q square. Okay, so now we can observe this, which is of the form f1 of x comma p, f2 of y comma q. Okay, this is of the form standard form 3. You can see this. This is the standard form 3. Now for this, in this case, what we will just do to solve this type, so we just assume as some constant. So here, let capital P square minus 4x square is equal to 4y square minus q square is equal to 4a square, some constant. This is the constant I am taking. Okay, this is the constant I am taking here. So we have dz is equal to d capital Z, capital P dx, capital Q dy. Okay, dx small dx, okay, small dy, and capital P capital Q. This is capital dz. So now integrating, what is the capital P here? This is, and capital Q is this. Taking that, now integrating on both sides. So dz with respect to capital Z, capital Z is equal to 2 into integral root over x square plus a square dx. Okay, plus 2 into root over integral y square minus a square dy plus integral constant c. We know that integral root over x square plus a square Okay, you know that integral root over x square plus a square, that is x by 2 root over x square plus a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a plus 2 into y by 2 root over y square minus a square by 2 cos h inverse y by a. Okay, so I can see this is the integration formula. Now what we'll do, take this, simplify it, take this, multiply with the 2 get cancelled here, you will get this terms. Now take this one first and the third terms on one side here, x into root over x square plus a square plus y into root over y square minus a square, plus from these two, okay, sorry, this 2 already get cancelled here. Now here a square into sin h inverse x by a minus cos h inverse y by a plus c. So that is what is capital Z? You use the transformation z square, small z square is equal to x into root over x square plus a square plus y into root over y square minus a square plus a square into sin h inverse x by a minus cos h inverse y by a plus c, which is the required solution. And this is how we can solve the type the given problem of the type f of p into z, pz combinations, by reducing it to any one of the standard forms, and we can get the solution. Okay, I hope you understand this. Yeah, thank you.